Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are going to taste test Mango Pepsi. Saw this at the store today, figured I'd give it a try. So here we go. Really good. It's got like, well, you can taste the mango. Really good mango taste. Got a good Pepsi taste to it. So it's nice, really good. They kind of help each other a little bit. Alright, well, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. And check out the other videos as well. Well, I'll see you guys later.